And it's a chilly morning here in Essex, and I'm out this morning at a little village called Salkett. At the moment we're crossing a turf farm, so hence the lovely looking green grass around. And my plan this morning is to run, taking in a little portion of the seawall, and then circle back and have a look at Salkett Church. It's good to get out on a little run again. I haven't been out with the camera since the day after Boxing Day. Yes, my wife and I both caught the horrible cold bug that was going around. That put a stop to my running for a week or so, and I've slowly been doing short distances. Haven't got too long to run this morning. My wife is visiting her friend at the moment, so I'm going back to pick her up. That's been a very cold night last night, and the temperature at the moment is just a little below freezing, so I'm fairly well wrapped up. Just taking it nice and steadily, nice and easily while I get back into the running. Oh, it's good to get out again. Such a beautiful morning. Just coming out onto Old Hall Lane.
Take a sharp left onto Old Hall Lane.
Little bit of a trek down here. I don't know what, half a mile or so maybe, and we'll come out to the entrance to the RSPB Old Hall Marsh Nature Reserve. Holiday cottages there. They're quite nice to stay. Right then, just going into the car park.
Take the next left.
And we're heading now up towards the sea. Thank you, Kamut. Yeah, we're heading now up to the sea wall. Oh.
Now keep left.
Oh, here we are. So we've made it up onto the seawall. We'll just go along here a short distance and then back into Salkett. Let's have a look round. Mersey Island is off in that direction. Yeah, this is what I love about Essex. So much variation. Well, here we're running along the Salkett channel, and you can see the tide is pretty much out, and it's the channel is crammed with hundreds of small wading birds. Off to my left there, in the distance, is a pretty huge gaggle of geese, probably Brent geese, but I'm no bird expert. Right, so we're approaching Salcott now, and I'm going to leave the seawall, up, down the steps, across the field, and then we'll be in Salcott, or as it's sometimes called, Salcott cum Verley. Obviously this is part of the new English coastal path. We've arrived at Salcott Church, and I'll have a look inside and cover some of its history in my next video. I hope you've enjoyed the run, and if you did, please click the like button and subscribe. It's completely free. So until I see you again, look after yourselves, all the best, take care, and bye for now.